In HTML, headings are defined using the H1 to H6 elements. For example, to define a heading of level 1, we use the H1 element like this. To define a heading of level 2, we use the H2 element like this, and so forth. Headings help in defining the hierarchy and the structure of the web page content. A higher heading level number means greater heading importance. H1 defines the most important heading, while H6 defines the least important heading. Let's see them in practice. Notice there is a change of setup. I have switched to brackets, and I've opened the exercises.html file that is available in the exercise files subfolder in the starter files. These subfolders are available in the HTML Getting Started folder you downloaded. Notice that this file is divided into different sections indicated by these comments. In the HTML headings section, let us write our headings. So to write a heading of level 1, we use the H1 element like this. To write a heading of level 2, we use the H2 element like this. To write a heading of level 3, we use the H3 element like this, and so forth. The browser will automatically update this page. This is because I launched this page via the live preview. To do that, go to File and select Live Preview, or simply click on this Live Preview button here. By default, browsers display headings in larger and bolder font than normal text. H1 headings are displayed in the largest font size, whereas H6 headings are displayed in the smallest font size. For this reason, I see many beginners using them for styling font. This is erroneous. Do not use heading levels for styling font. Think of a textbook. It is organized to topics, subtopics, and so forth. We can write the topics using the H1 element, then the H2 element to define the subtopics, and so forth. Having examined how we can structure documents using headings, let us proceed to adding the headings to our project document. I am back to brackets. I have my index.html file of our main project open in Live Preview. This file is available in the project file subfolder. I also have my completed project open for a guide. Looking at it, we have the main heading that describes the article. For this, we will use the H1 element like this. Then we use the H2 element for the subheadings like this. Inside the practical tips for improved respiration heading, we have other subheadings. Which element should be used? If you used H3 element, you are correct. So let's write those like this. We have outlined the overall structure for our document. Let's wrap up the section with a summary. Headings are defined by the H1 to H6 elements. They define the hierarchy and the structure for our content. Level 1 headings are the most important, while level 6 headings are the least important. Do not use headings for styling font. Having given our document a general structure, let us see how we can add more text using paragraphs.